vabbè, la falegname, tutti i macelli erano qui, quindi per dire c'erano proprio dei luoghi in cui...
Why are so few women in politics? What are the cultural factors that are influencing the presence of women in politics, the role of institutions, women in different countries, like, I don't know, why there are so many women in Nordic countries, like in Sweden and so on, and why are so few in Italy or in other countries. So there are a lot of questions around, but I wanted to find one thing that would be closer to my interest, and that would be more innovative, you know, like doing research for bringing something in science, maybe. And the core question that I came after 1 year of remaking, reshaping a single question was, do we really know about the descriptive representation of women in politics? How do we count women in politics? For example, if we say in a certain cabinet we have 3 women that will be, I don't know, 10%. Do I have to agree that 10%, like saying that number, what does it tell to me? Who are these women? What are the portfolio? What are the places that they are holding? So I came down to a specific research question, like presence of women in cabinets. Cabinet meaning executive. So the research by now are done in parliaments. What does parties, the role of parties in promoting women, and the role of gatekeepers, and so on. By the way, in Italy there is this Partito Democratico, which is the Democratic Party, the newly formed party, which promotes quota inside the party. So it's not an official quota in parliament, but they have made this specific list. Like the first one is men or women, and then they have to alter to change. So there are 50% men and women on their lists, at least in the actual parliament. And coming to the question, I wanted to study women ministers. Why are so few women ministers? If me or some of you want to become a minister, what should you do? In your opinion, is this a normal job? Like, no, is it